Portsmouth Alumnae chapter of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated is hosting its third annual community baby shower as the organization works to combat the maternal mortality gap and provide resources to new and expecting mothers across Hampton Roads. And joining us now with an inside look at the event is second vice president of the chapter of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, Nakia Gray, and we've got state certified doula Asia Jackson. Thank you both for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
So talk to me a little bit about Nakia. This is the third year of the baby shower. How has it changed? What can people expect if they attend?
Yes, this is our third event, and we're so proud that every year it gets bigger and better thanks to our amazing planning committee. But the primary goal of the event is for us to support families before, during, and after giving birth. And we do this through connection and education. We want them to feel comfortable with being able to make informed decisions and advocate for themselves during the birthing process. So it's not an event where you just walk around picking up pamphlets. It's more of where we give them the opportunity to interact with doulas, midwives, lactation specialists, and other experts in the field. And it's fun. It's a baby shower. There are going to be games, raffles, prizes, giveaways, everything. So treats for all who come.
All right. And Asia, as a state certified doula, I know we just wrapped up Black Maternal Health Month. Can you talk a little bit about the challenges you're seeing and just the realities of healthcare right now for Black mothers?
Yeah, so a lot of Black mothers are experiencing signs and symptoms of preeclampsia, but we're also seeing a spike in some mental health concerns. Myself as a doula, I've supported 2 moms in the last 7 months that have had postpartum psychosis. And so that's kind of something that we don't often think about after the baby comes. You know, we have all these severities in the health setting when we're expecting or during labor and delivery, and those are important. But the thing that I'm seeing the most is that mental health spike and concern that we really need to pay some more attention to.
And what's the importance of educating people about this before they become a mother or, you know, after they give birth? What's the importance of kind of early education and detection?
Yeah, so essentially, providing education as a doula, we're sitting down and providing evidence-based information, right? So we're directing them to mental health providers beforehand because we're starting to see some concerns, maybe that perinatal mood and anxiety disorder that we aren't, you know, I'm not licensed to really diagnose and dive into that. So we have all of our providers that we will refer to, but also providing education in the home so family members, support persons know what to look out for and kind of see what's not being said. And that really is the biggest highlight for me as a doula. We have to be able to be aware of what's not being mentioned when we are in those rooms with our families.
Sure. Nakia, tell us when and where the event is and how people can get involved.
Absolutely. And the event is free, completely free to all parents who are expecting or who have babies who are 1 year and under. It's going to be this Saturday, April 25th, starting at 9 a.m. at the Calvary Baptist Church in Portsmouth. They can register going to www.pacdst.org/CBS pre-survey or by using the QR code on the flyer that we provided.
All right, and that's on your screen right there right now. Thank you both for coming in.
Thank you so much for having us.
And best of luck with the event.
Thank you.